Hello everyone, it's Darla at Scrap Happens here with Tuesday's tip. This past weekend I had a scrapbooking, crafting, paper crafting retreat, and we had so much fun that they had mentioned at my last retreat that I should do make and takes. So this retreat I did 3 different make and takes. And I wanted to share one of them that we did today because it turned out so cute. It's a little Christmas ornament or a tag. I think it'd be a really cute tag for a package for Christmas. I made it using the Penguin Place stamp set. And I just want to show you how I did it. Because some of the things are so simple, yet I would not have thought of it had I not decided to make these ornaments. So let's get started. I got these little wood slices off of Amazon. And some are big, some are smaller. And I chose the bigger one so I could get the whole scene of the penguin that I wanted. So I started with the penguin body and I inked it with black StazOn ink. And I did it up a little bit close to the hole. The first thing you need to make sure your hole is straight, at the very top, not at an angle because it's not going to hang right. So make sure that it's straight. Stamp your penguin. With the StazOn ink. Oh, I could have got that a little darker. But the nice thing about these photopolymer stamps is that I should be able to just line it up. And that worked pretty good. So the next thing I'm going to do is use my saddle brown StazOn ink to do my reindeer antlers. And there you have that. Next, I'm going to use real red ink to give him a little Rudolph nose. And also to put the Merry Christmas at the bottom. Okay. Next, I'm going to put my little penguin feet on with Mango Melody ink. And I'm going to add a bow tie with some Just Jade ink. I'm going to have him holding a Christmas tree in one hand. Then I'm going to do something different on this side just because it kind of did smear a little bit. And just put a couple little Christmas trees over here too. Super cute. And I'm going to use my Bumblebee ink to add a cute little star to the top of my trees. Then I'm going to take, and this is what is really cool, I'm going to take my Whisper White watercolor pencil and I'm going to color in his body. Because penguins are black and white after all. Our little tuxedo. I needed to sharpen my pencil. I can see. I'm hoping that you can see that it's turning his little body white. Okay, so there he is all colored and ready. Then I have some of the holiday rhinestone basic jewels that I'm going to add to my stars. And just to add a little sparkle, because we need a little sparkle on our packages or our Christmas tree, right? I'm dog sitting my son's dog, Clyde. He's a little bulldog. You can hear him snoring in the background. He's a sweet little dog. Okay, last, it comes with, the wood slices come with some twine. And I don't know what kind of knot this is, but I'm sure it has a name. So I'm just going to fold it in half and then slip it through the hole. Slip it through this loop, and that will hold that in place. And then I'm just going to tie the knot at the top. And the very last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of our black and white 1/4-inch gingham ribbon and just tie a little bow at the bottom here. Ribbon is a little folded. I needed to iron it, I guess. Okay, and then I'm going to trim my tails. And it's ready for a package or your Christmas tree. You can write your date on the back, or you can stamp another penguin on the back, or you could put a to and from on the back. Here's the other one that I made without the extra Christmas trees to hide my boo-boo. And then I'm thinking I'm going to have an ornament class, so I'm coming up with some other ideas as well. I'll be sharing these later on my blog on another day. So here you have it. Fun, simple project. You saw how quick that was. Easy to do with kids too. I had a group of teenage girls over here last night, and they all made one. They loved it. So it's a really fun, easy project. I hope you'll give it a try. Look for more inspiration on my blog at scraphappensherewithdarla.com. Subscribe to my videos so you don't miss anything. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next week with Tuesday's tip.